Morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Hair needs a haircut. Car's in bits. I'll leave all that in bits for the time being. And I thought I'd just get on and do this alternator bracket from ICP, which I got for when I remove the air conditioning unit. So yeah, as I stated in the last video, when I pulled all the aircon unit out, that I had bracket, fresh bolts, and basically this is the bracket I was on about from ICP. When we swap it out for this, it's just going to look so much cleaner. You ain't got any unnecessary holes that are left. It's been a bit fiddly actually, if I'm honest with you. The 14 mils out of here and here came out absolutely fine, no issues, apart from this one bolt which was under the alternator, and I just can't get a proper angle on that nut, so I've had to just disconnect the alternator and remove that just to make it a bit easier at the moment. All that just for that, just because I couldn't give it a whack. Right, the bracket is now out, so I'll give you a little side-by-side comparison on these. There's like a dramatic difference. As you can see, you ain't got all this bracket up the top with them mounting holes just looking lost. You ain't got them holes looking lost down here, as you can see. And it's got a more, I don't know, it just flows better with the engine bay. It is designed to neaten it up, and it is designed for the AC delete. But it just mounts up. It's a direct bolt on for this. It does come with its own screws, so I'm presuming they might be a few mil shorter just to compensate with the thickness of the original bracket, which in fact is a lot heavier than the one going on. So again, we're just saving a little more weight. But yeah, we've got the two mounting holes there, and then if we come on top of it here, you can see the two on this one, which again will be those two there. That hole was originally this one on the engine block, but it is now going to be utilizing this one. As you can see, it's just going to look a damn sight cleaner than all this unnecessary stuff and a pulley hanging there doing nothing. Just so I can show you before I actually bolt this up, then you can see what I mean with the holes. So utilizing the original bolt holes, and there you go. And for that one, as I said, we're using this one and not that one. And that's just a direct bolt-on replacement. And as I said, it comes with all your fresh little bolts and washers and stuff like that. I'll get this bolted back up now. You don't really need to see me wrenching at it, do you? This kit is from ICP, by the way, if you're in the UK. I'll leave a link to that in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, feel free to comment, and ring that bell to stay notified. So yeah, already you can see it's going to make a significant difference to that big bulky thing. But it's all in there now. Belt back on, all tightened, alternator in there, and here is the one we've took out. You can just see the cleaner look. Can access this bolt now as well, and that one. Look what turned up. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh well, got that done in time. Car's clean. Just going to wrap it up because this is putting it down. So yeah, job done. Ciao. Back to the servicing parts. I forgot to check the gearbox oil when I did everything else, and it's showing super low on the dipstick, so just going to put a little top up in a Miller's 7590s. Just stuck a tube into the dipstick there, just then we're not getting oil all over the turbo. I don't want no fires now, do we?